All right, so one of the most debatable topics that I've ever come across is people constantly comparing fricassee chicken with brown stew chicken. So today, more on to some fricassee chicken, guys, and I'll show you guys the basic of how to make a nice and proper fricassee chicken. But first, let's start with the cleaning of the meat first. As you can see, I put some lime in it and some vinegar. All right, now let's wash the meat. All right, so this is the nice clean chicken, and we're gonna start with the seasoning process real quick. So for today, using some Maggi, some all-purpose Maggi. We're gonna mix that with some of my favorite adobo. All right, this is some Cajun, a little touch of onion powder and some garlic powder, yeah? Gonna add some black pepper on this and some crushed pimento, yeah? Some blended seasonings here. A little bit of vegetable oil on that. Last but not least, I'm gonna add some Old Bay on it, right? I know some people gonna be in the comment section and saying, oh, it's too much seasoning, but guys, I know what I'm doing, and I like when my meat is seasoned properly. So we're gonna leave this to marinate for a little while as well. Typically 25 minutes to half an hour, but overnight is always the best option. All right, so meanwhile the chicken marinate, I'm gonna set on the rice and beef, and then I'm gonna come back and do the veg prep, okay? So now it's time for the chicken. Some scallion. All right, people, when I don't come for me here, because I don't have no natural coconut milk. I pack one may I use today. A nice piece of butter as well. Now, yeah. All right, guys, so I add the rice off cam, but as you can see here, it's coming on quite nice. It's all about the chicken today still, but you know we're gonna need some side to go with it, and we're doing some rice and peas today, okay? All right, guys, so now it's time to remove these and start work on the sauce, yeah? So this is all of those seasonings and vegetables that we cut up. All right, these are optional. You know, I like to use my bay leaves and some cloves. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little more all-purpose in this and sweat out the essence from out of these veggies. All right, right before I forget, guys, I have some freshly chopped garlic as well. That fry remains just coming together. Also with the sauce, gonna incorporate some more flavor as well. And this is where I like to add the ketchup. We also have some hot pepper. And with this, you're gonna add some hot water. All right, so I'm gonna return the chicken now to this. So we're gonna cover this and let it simmer. So now I did some homemade Thousand Island dressing. This is for the salad. All right, nice. All right, so tell me if you agree with me. Fricassee chicken and brown stew chicken is two different methods of cooking. Tell me if you agree. Mm, smooth. Smooth and easy. Mm. Now that's what you call fricassee chicken, guys. Look at that. See that? Nice. All right. So looking at this, rate this from 1 to 10. But with that being said,